Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called Sendiio 3.0, which is the first and the only artificially intelligent autoresponder that combines the power of email marketing, text message marketing and FB messenger marketing all under one central dashboard at one low time price. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a very quick video to talk to you about some of the brand new features that we've added to Sendiio during this 3.0 launch. And if this is the first time you're hearing about Sendiio, we are actually the first and only autoresponder that combines real artificial intelligence with the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger marketing under one central dashboard. And we've actually been around since 2019. So we are going on 4 years old now. And during that time, not only have we made our platform better, easier, and faster to allow you to make more money with the power of list marketing, but we've also worked hand in hand with a ton of our actual users to help us in continuing to make this the best platform out there. And with that, we've also been able to deliver over 338 million messages for our users to their subscribers. And on top of that, we've also been able to have over 30 million of those messages be opened by their subscribers. So this is a platform that's proven to make money for our users on a daily basis, and we are now opening version 3.0 to make it easier for you to join us on this journey and help you to make more money as well. So in this video, I'm actually going to go through just a few of these brand new features that we've added, because we've added so many features that it can easily be an hour-long video of just how many features we've added. We've actually done over a dozen new features over the last year alone, and over 24 features over the last 3 years alone. And these are major features that really help our platform be a lot better, a lot faster, and a lot easier for you. So let me go ahead and jump into just a few of these. Now, the first one is actually our new AI email, SMS, and messenger copywriter. Okay, so we all know that right now artificial intelligence is at an all-time high. We all want to be able to tap into that. However, no one has actually been able to combine artificial intelligence with the most powerful type of marketing out there, which is list marketing, until now. We are the first ones to allow you to be able to use real artificial intelligence right away to make money with it. Okay, and we have added this feature here. When you are putting together your message that you'll be sending to your subscribers, we have a button here that you can click on, and it will actually write your email for you. Okay, and here was a test that I was running before in the affiliate marketing niche. So if you are in that niche, you can simply just write something like, here are 3 tips to help you make more money with affiliate marketing. You hit generate, and now artificial intelligence is getting to work for me to write me 3 tips around affiliate marketing. And from there, I can edit it as much or as little as I'd like. And then I can add all of my monetization to that as well with our what you see is what you get editor. So we'll give it a few seconds to finish, and then we'll continue. All right, so there you go. Within a few seconds, I have an entire email written for me that provides value to my list, and from here I can go ahead and actually edit this as much or as little as I'd like. Okay, I still like using the shorter sentences just in case someone is reading my emails on their mobile phone. So I would most likely make it look more like that, where it's shorter sentences. I'll also like using the 16 size font, but you can read this, just a few lines of this, to see that this is true artificial intelligence providing value on my behalf to my subscribers. It literally wrote an entire email for me. So it says hi, and then it used our first name tag so that it can personalize your emails. And look at that, it actually introduced myself. My name is Joshua Zamora and I'm an affiliate marketing expert. Over the years, I've helped countless people succeed with their online business. Today, I want to share with you 3 powerful tips that will help you make more money with affiliate marketing. First, focus on building relationships with your audience. Your number one goal should be to provide value content and resources to your leaders, which will build trust and loyalty. When they know that they can rely on you for quality information and advice, they'll be more likely to purchase products through your affiliate links. Look at that, an amazing first email that I can easily send to new subscribers, introducing myself and at the same time providing value to them. And the best part about this is that I did not have to write a single word of this, okay? Not only did it introduce myself, it personalized it for me, and it also closed it out for me. Now, the only probably thing that I would do here is add a PS and maybe add some additional monetization here. Okay, I'd probably, again, continue to format this a little bit better, okay? And I'll pause this while I format this, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. All right, so I just spent a few minutes formatting this a bit, all right? Usually I've formatted a little bit more, but there you can see how I kind of brought out some attention-grabbing parts to it. So I indented the three tips. And one thing that I didn't realize before is that it actually put this in there for me, which is pretty cool. It says, feel free to reach out to me at joshua@example.com. So I would probably put my support email there and we can discuss your goals and how I can help you. So I think that was pretty cool as well, that it added some additional personalization there. All right, but as you can see, Real AI wrote this entire email for me, and you can have our AI write for you in any niche. And then you can, edit it as much or as little as you'd like. Now, you do see here at the bottom that we do recommend not using some words that could affect your deliverability. So what I usually like to do is just something like this. I'll just use a 0 instead of an O when writing things like money or $signs or anything like that. But that's how our AI content sales copywriter works. We also have it built into the subject generator as well, so it could go ahead and write your subject lines for you. So there I just went ahead and clicked from content, and you can see within seconds it went ahead and wrote a perfect email subject line for me based on what it wrote for me down here. So within 2 clicks of my mouse, I had a full email written for me and my entire subject line written for me based on what was written for me down here. All right, so that's the power of what we've built into here when it comes to having real artificial intelligence writing your copy for you. And we've built this into our text and messenger areas as well. So AI will be able to write your text for you and your social emails as well. So those are some of the bigger updates that we've added. We have now blended artificial intelligence with a powerful autoresponder. We also have our hybrid sequences built into here as well. So if I come here to our hybrid sequences, I'll write demo here. I'll click create. This now allows you to send a hybrid type of sequence to your subscribers. So you can have an email be sent for the first message, then a text message, then a message on Facebook, then a message on Twitter, then send them a ringless voicemail, and you can mix and match how you are reaching out to your customers. So you're no longer limited to just having a follow-up sequence that only does email or only does SMS or only does Facebook. Now you can set it up so that you are able to reach your subscribers in multiple different ways inside of one sequence. Okay, so that's another powerful feature that we've added there. On top of that, we've also added our ringless voicemail drops that you can now send to your subscribers, and you can set it up as just a broadcast, okay, or an actual sequence. All right, so very, very powerful right now, where you can just literally send the ringless voicemail directly to your subscriber's phone without having to bug them with their phone actually ringing. Okay, and another cool thing here is that you can either upload your MP3 file, you can write it out as text, and I'll actually make sure that we have the AI writer built into here as well, or you can record your message directly inside of our platform as well, and then choose it as one of the recordings. Okay. Another powerful feature that we have in here as well is the ability to make actual calls inside of Sendiio. So if you have a list of prospects that you are wanting to reach out to, you can select the call app that you set up, and we have tutorial videos showing you exactly how to set this up. You can call someone directly from inside of Sendiio. You can have notes written in here, okay, so that you can write something like, okay, talked about SEO, budget is $1,000, something like that. So you can have an entire system in here built to not only speak to your potential clients, but also follow up with them, have notes, and all of that. And on top of that, your calls actually are recorded as well. So all of your calls that you have will be fully recorded, and you can always refer back to them, and you can refer to the notes and all of that that you have with each client, so that you can always know exactly what step in the process your potential client is in. Okay, so those are just some of the few features that we've added. Let me talk about one more, and then I'll have all of the other features right below this video so that you can take your time, read each and every one of them, look at the screenshots. We'll have everything breaking down below this video. But one more that I want to speak about is our ad blocks. This is one that has actually made me a ton of money with very little work. And it's pretty much allows you to add ads at the end of your email. Okay, so the PS area of your email is one of the most profitable areas that you have. Okay, and this allows you to monetize that without having to do any work. So you literally just set up an ad block. Okay, and you can see how these look. All right, mine are usually very simple like this, but you can have an image in here, you can have a GIF in here, you can have a banner, whatever you'd like. Mines are usually very simple like this, since most of my emails are just plain text. Okay, but you can set these up however you'd like. Some of these are my own offers, some of these are affiliate offers. Okay, you can see there's a different one there, but literally once you set these up, all right, when you're setting up your email, all you have to do is come here to the ad block area, select whichever ad block you want to activate, and now what's going to happen is that every person that receives this email is also going to have that ad block activated inside of the email. So automatically this email is going to have an additional PS at the bottom, monetizing it with whatever ad block you select here. So this is perfect if you want to promote your own offers, if you want to promote an affiliate offer, if you want to do a cross promotion with another marketer, and then they are promoting your offer to their list and you promote their offer to your list. You can do all of that and multiple other things with the ad blocks that we've built in. All right, and we have a ton of other amazing features. They're all going to be listed right below this video, so make sure that you do check those out. These are just a handful of these features that we've added into Sendiio to really make it the best artificially intelligent autoresponder on the market. So make sure you do check out not only all of the updates that we've added, but make sure you take advantage of this very special 3.0 launch that we have going on right now.